Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is the fifth subsection from problem number 5, exercise 8.4. Problem says like this: prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosecant A plus cot A. And they've given use the identity cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So as LHS is in the form of cosines and sines, and RHS we need to prove it has to go in cots and cosecants. So let us divide both numerator and denominator with sine such that cos by sine will become cot and 1 by sine will become cosecant, and sine by sine will be 1, right? So to make the given terms as cosecants and cots, I am doing both numerator and denominator. I am just dividing with sine, right? So let us start taking the LHS part. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1, right? Divide with sin A on both numerator and denominator, right? So I'm just trying to divide both numerator and denominator with sin A. Then it becomes cos A by sin A is cot A minus 1 plus cosecant A, right? Divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A, right? So if you take in the denominator, I have 1 minus cosecant A term, right? But in the numerator, I have 1 plus cosecant A term. So I'll try to take minus out here such that it will be of 1 minus cosecant A, right? So that I can take both numerator and denominator as similar terms. That is, I am taking minus as common here so that I will get 1 minus cosecant A. Check out minus 1 and minus into minus plus cosecant A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A, right? Now this is of the form A minus B divided by A plus B, right? So this is of the form now A minus B divided by A plus B. Now I will try to multiply both numerator and denominator again by A minus B divided by A minus B, right? Now it will become cot A minus of 1 minus cosecant A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A, right? Multiplied by A minus B. Here A is nothing but cot A and B I am taking it as 1 minus cosecant A, right? So now it will be cot A minus 1 minus cosecant A divided by cot A minus again 1 minus cosecant A, right? So this is the numerator is A minus B multiplied by A minus B format. So that is A minus B whole square, that I am writing it as cot A minus 1 minus of minus, right, plus cosecant A whole square divided by denominator is A plus B multiplied by A minus B, that is A square minus B square form. That is, I can write it as cot square A minus of 1 minus cosecant A whole square. Now we can expand both numerator and denominator. Numerator is of the form A minus B plus C whole square, that I am writing it as cot square A plus 1 plus cosecant square A minus 2AB minus 2 cot A minus 2BC 2 cosecant A plus 2AC 2 cot A cosecant A, right? Divided by cot square A minus 1 minus cosecant square A. I am writing it as 1 plus cosecant square A minus 2 cosecant A minus B whole square I have just expanded. So nothing will get cancelled in the numerator part, but we have 1 plus cot square A here. That can be written as cosecant square A. So the numerator will become 2 cosecant square A minus 2 cot A minus 2 cosecant A plus 2 cot A cosecant A, right? So then the denominator also will try to simplify here. Cot square A minus 1 minus cosecant square A minus 2 cosecant A, right? So here we know cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. But here we have cot square A minus cosecant square A, which is nothing but minus 1. Now this can be written as 2 cosecant A, that we can take it out, that I am writing it as 2 cosecant A if you taking common, cosecant A plus cot A, right? From the first term and last term I am taking cosecant A as common, right? Here again minus 2 if you take common, cosecant A plus cot A. From the first and fourth term and second and third term I am taking common. And the denominator will become minus 1 and minus 1, that is minus 2 cosecant theta. Minus 2 if you are taking common, what you will get 1 plus cosecant A, right? So this also it will get cancelled, right? So what you will get here, in the numerator I will get cosecant A plus cot A multiplied by 2 cosecant A minus 2, right? Divided by, in the denominator I will get again 2 cosecant A minus 2, right? So here it is minus, right? 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 cosecant A, right? So this will get cancelled. You will get the answer as cosecant A plus cot A, right? See, I will explain one more time. 2 cosecant square A minus 2 cot A minus 2 cosecant A plus 2 cot A cosecant A. From the first and fourth term, I am taking 2 cosecant A common. Here we will get cosecant A and here you have cot A. Then from the middle two terms, I will take minus 2 out. Then cosecant A plus cot A. Here this part will become minus 2 minus 2 cosecant A. Sorry, you will get plus cosecant A, right? So now we will get minus 2 if you are taking common, 1 minus cosecant A. So these two terms you will get cancelled. So what you will get is cosecant A plus cot A. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.